Hello, today we're going to continue Lesson 3.2, Setting Up and Solving Proportions. How much would it cost for 4 pizzas? We know that 3 medium pizzas cost $10.50. So again, we're going to set up that starter ratio, pizza over cost. 3 pizzas cost $10.50. How much would it cost? So x goes in the bottom because we don't know, for 4 pizzas. And now I'm going to cross multiply. 3x is equal to 42. Divide by 3. And x is equal to $14. So it would cost $14 for 4 pizzas. The ratio of girls to boys in a class is 4 to 7. So we're comparing girls to boys. How many girls are there if there are 33 students in the class? Now this is the total number of students. So I can't compare girls to boys and then girls to total. However, I can use this information to help me figure out a total. So if there are 4 girls and 7 boys, that means that altogether there are 11 total students. So now if I use this information, I can now compare girls to total and girls to total. So I'm going to set up that starter ratio, girls over total. There are 4 girls out of 11 students. How many girls out of 33 students? So I have 11x is equal to 132. Divide by 11. And there are 12 girls out of 33 students. So again, you always want to see what it is that you're comparing, and you want to make sure you're only comparing 2 things at a time. So again, you would not be able to compare the girls to the boys and then the girls to the total, because that's 3 different units. If we look here, here's a self-assessment, and it's showing exactly what we just spoke about. So again, starter ratio, setting up that proportion, right? Cross multiplying, and then checking that it makes sense. A school has 800 students. The ratio of female students to all is 24 over 50. Write and solve a proportion to find the number of F of students, the number F of students who are female. So I think it wants us to use the variable F. So again, it's comparing female to all. So I'm going to write that starter ratio, female over all, and it already put it in ratio form for us. So 24 females out of 50 is equal to, and now we want to figure out how many females out of 800. So again, I need to cross multiply. 50F is equal to 19,200. Divide by 50. And F is equal to 384. So that means out of 800 students, 384 of them would be female in this case. And if we look at this last one, it's asking you to solve for the variables. So just another example of solving a proportion. A times 2 is 2A. 18 times 5 is 90. Divide by 2. Divide by 2, and A is equal to 45. Again, you can check your answer by plugging in 45 over 18 is equal to 5 over 2. 45 times 2 is 90, and 18 times 5 is also 90, so you know that your answer is correct.